Today I'm going to introduce the flow meter US308M. When there is no flow, the display will show the total volume that passed by. When there is flow, the display will show the current flow rate. The unit is liter per minute. Let's try. Because it is by air, so the flow rate is fluctuating. If by water, the number will not change so much. When water stops, here it showed the total volume. The unit is liter. That means 2.6 liters have passed by. You can press the button here, key 1, to shift the display content. Now it is the total volume. That's all for today. Thank you.